Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't already have it installed, is go to your Play Store and type in YouTube Studio. This is the app that you need to have installed to add tags to your videos. So just install that app, and then once YouTube Studio is installed, you will open it and obviously sign into your YouTube account if you're not signed in already. And once you open the app, this will be the first thing you see, the dashboard, but let's click on the three lines in the top left and then click on videos. And that will take us to a list of all of our videos. So all we have to do is click on the video that we want to add tags to. So I'll click this one. And then we're going to click the pen in the top right and then scroll down and we have this button right here, add tags. So we'll just click on that and then we can add any tags to our video that we want. So just type in whatever tags you want to add to the video and then hit comma and that will add it as a tag. And then you're just going to hit save in the top right. And there you go, guys. You have added tags to your videos. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions or tutorial topics you'd like us to cover in the future, you guys can leave those suggestions in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.